1, 2, test. Okay, let's go. Let's march it out. Take a deep breath in, breath out. Let's walk. Let's march. Walk it forward and back. And march. Walk it forward and back. Step touch right here. Walk it forward and back. Step touch right here. Let's go again. Let's walk. Step touch. Walk forward and back. Step touch. Box step please. And again. Change sides. Again. Walk it forward and back. Step touch right here. Walk it forward. Step touch. Walk again. Step touch. Walk it. Step touch. Box step. 2 more. Change sides. 2 more. Box step, change, give me 2. And change. Change again. Change again. 2 steps, go. Box step. Change. 2 steps. Walk or jog, forward and back. Step touch. Up to you, walk or jog. 2 steps. Now we're going to change this up. Walk forward and back. Step touch and turn to face the side of the room. Walk or jog, forward and back. Step touch, face the front of the room. 2 steps. Higher if you want. Hop step. Change sides. 2 steps, high or low. Walk or jog, forward and back. Step touch to face the opposite side. Walk or jog. Step touch back to face the front of the room. 2 steps. Box step. Box step. 2 steps. Walk or jog, forward and back. Step touch, high or low. Walk or jog. Step touch, face the front, high or low. I'm staying low today, you may need that challenge. 2 steps, woo! Box step. Sorry. Box step. 2 steps. Walk. Step touch, high or low. Walk or jog. Step touch, high or low. Box step. And change. Box step and change again. And change. Now box step becomes mambo and change. So I'm putting a little pause to change. You can cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Watch. 1 to the front. And then change. 1 to the front, 1 to the side. Let's stay with that rhythm. One to the front, one up to the corner. Yep. And again. Again, we stay with that. One time. You ready? Walk or jog. Step touch, turn to face the side. Walk or jog. Step touch to face the front. 2 steps, high or low. Box step. Box step. 2 steps. Mambo. Then cha-cha. To the corner, cha-cha. Again, mambo. To the corner. Again. Ready? Walk or jog. Step touch, you turn to the side. Walk or jog. Step touch to face the front. 2 steps. Box step. Box step. 2 steps. Mambo. To the corner. Cha-cha change. To the corner. Cha-cha change. To the corner. Cha-cha change. Ready? Step touch and hold. Now we bring that into a curl. Stay with that. And now we're going to travel those forward. Hold them here. Travel them back. Hold them here. Leg curl travels forward. And hold. Take them back. And hold. Now give me a single, double curl. 1, 1, 2. Again. 1, 1, 2. Again now. 1, 1, 2. Again. 1, 1, 2. Let's stay with that. Single, double. Single, double. Go again. Single, double. Single. One time. Single curl, come forward. Hold, single, double here. Single curl, travel back. Give me a single, double right here. Step touch. How are we doing so far? We're going to put that together. In 4, in 3, in 2, walk or jog, forward and back. Step touch, turn to the side. Walk or jog. Step touch to face the front. 2 steps. Box step. Change. 2 steps. Leg curl come forward. I missed out the mambos, but that's okay. Single, double. Well, 5 this morning, aren't I? Leg curl comes back. Single, double. Mambo. To the corner. Cha-cha change. To the corner. Cha-cha change. To the corner. Cha-cha change. Okay, get ready. Walk. Step touch. We'll stay with that order. Why not? Walk it forward. It works well. Step touch. Face the front. 2 steps, high or low. Box step. Box step change. 2 steps, we're going to play with that now for a while. And we take her forward. Single, double. leg curl back, single, single, double, mambo, to the corner, change, to the corner, and change, to the corner, and change. So let's go back to the double steps and the box step. Double step, box step, look, I do one forward and one back, and then I change. So box step forward, box step back, and then 2 steps. Did you get that? Oh, sorry. So I go one forward, one back, one forward, one back, double step. Step, touch and hold, up to you. We do it one more time. So I go 2 steps, box steps. So I go forward, forward, back, 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 forward, changed, forward, forward, back, 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 2 steps. Let's walk or jog. Step touch to turn to the side. Walk or jog. Step touch to face the front. 2 steps. Now the box steps are up to you. Box step other side. 2 steps. Leg curls come forward. Single, single, double. Leg curls back. Single, single, double. Mambo. To the corner. And again. To the corner. Mambo. To the corner. And again. And walk. Step touch. Box step and back, change, 2 steps, leg curl forward, single, single, double, leg curl back, single, single, double, and then remember to the corner, and again, to the corner, twice more. So we're just going to stay with that. We're going to run that all the way through to the end. Yeah, you ready? Walk or jog, forward and back. Step touch to the side. Walk or jog. Step touch, face the front. 2 steps. Box step. And again. Change steps. 2 steps. And then we will go forwards. Single, single, double. Leg curl back. Single, single, double. Mambo. To the corner. Change. Change it up. One more time. This is it. Last time through. Walk or jog. Step touch to the side. Walk or jog forward and back. Step touch to face the front. 2 steps. Box step. Box step. 2 steps. Leg curl. Single, single, double. Leg curls back. Single, single, double. Mambo. To the corner. Again. Twice more. One time. And walk. in. 2. And then hold. Toes up or down. Feel